Hello, I'm always amazed that establishing pride in a job seems to be so often overlooked. As a metaphor, I would like to tell you the story of Sir Christopher Wren. Christopher Wren was one of the greatest English architects. One day he walked unrecognized among the men who were at work upon the building of St. Paul's Cathedral in London, which he had designed. He asked 3 different laborers, all engaged in the same task, what they were doing. He got 3 different answers. The first said, "I am cutting this stone." The second answered, "I am earning 3 shillings 6 pence a day." The third man straightened up, squared his shoulders, and still holding his mallet and chisel replied, "I am helping Sir Christopher Wren build this great cathedral." They each had 3 different ways of looking at the same job. The first one was just doing a task. The second one was just earning a living. The third one was doing a small part of great work. He did not personally know the architect or understand how his task fit into the overall plan, but he believed that there was a plan and that by following it, he would help create something greater than himself. Which worker do you think was getting the most satisfaction from his work? How do you make sure the team members are engaged and their individual goals are in line with the company's vision? If they don't understand how their job is connected to the company's success, how can they establish pride in what they do? This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.